Hey everybody, Bobby the Fan Man here. Here's a 2023 Sarasota Breeze 10-inch box fan. I bought this at Ollie's over the summer, for 12 bucks. I'm showing in the box here. Right there, Ollie's. It's a cute little box fan. It's pretty powerful too. The back of the box, my first take of this, my grandmother interrupted, so I had to redo this. 3-speed controls, low, medium, high. Yep. It's a cute little fan. The box reminds me of like this 90s style. You saw something in the 90s. This reminds me like a lot like the Aries box fans from the early to mid 2000s. That's the reason why I got it. Mainly was gonna get it for the bathroom, but I figured I'd use it in here. Yeah, so I'm gonna pause the video. We're gonna unbox it. So here it is. It's not. I haven't taken it out of the box yet. Not gonna be able to do this one-handed. We're gonna try though. Hold on a second. This is very tight in the box. Hold on a second. There we go. Got it. There we go. Alright. Here's the instruction manual here, which is kind of crinkled up a little bit. Let's try to uncrinkle without ripping it. We're going to tear it, aren't we? There we go. Customer assistance. Made in China, of course. Made in China. Ooh, China. Let's read the manual here. Unplug fan before cleaning, of course. Yep. Doesn't really say much there. Throw that back in the box. Put the box aside. Pull the plastic off. This fan is, it looks exactly like the old Aries box fans, only the blade design's a little bit bigger. It's got the fuse cord here, which the Aries box fans did not have, because that was the era of the 2000s, before all fans had a fuse plug. We're gonna plug this up, and we're gonna let it run. Once I untie this wire. Because I tighten this. I put this away over the summer because I was using my big fans because it got really hot. I think I got this sometime in August. No, I think it was like late July, early to mid-July. But I'm not even sure why I even got this, to be honest with you. Because, I didn't really have a need for it. Kind of just got it because like the last one on the shelf. Just ties there. I'm going to plug this up and, yeah. Plug this right down here. Alright. Let's start off on low. Comes right to speed. It moves decent air. It's not a terrible air mover. I've seen worse for little 10-inch box fans. Here's medium. And it actually sounds just like the Aries box fans of the early 2000s as well. And I think these came under a number of different brands. And high. It's quite loud. Like, I'm not going to say it's quiet, because it is quite loud. I'm going to show the back of it, too. Here's the tag. Here's man in the mirror. Hello. I have the mirror on the floor because otherwise when the fan blows towards it, it blows forward. I don't want it to knock itself off the wall. And we're going to shut her down. I have a Duracraft box fan, and I have a another Walgreens brand, Living Solutions. Here's the back of the fan. Here's a little motor in there. It's pretty clean. I only used it really a couple times, but I can see the plastic is starting to warp on the top, which is freaking fantastic. That probably got dropped at some point. I think it fell off the top shelf in the box. But otherwise, it's nice little fan, and it runs pretty good. And I hope you enjoy this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.